The state will host a two-day cabinet retreat in Sohra on January 10 to 11, 2025, attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and others. The retreat aims to provide a platform for government departments to present their programs and initiatives, identify gaps, and explore collaborative efforts to achieve key goals. Chief Secretary Donald P. Watlang confirmed that the cabinet meeting will begin at 12 noon on January 10th, followed by a retreat where departments will present their plans for 2025, followed by an interaction with members of self-help groups and visit rural areas.
Cabinet as well as senior officers will be heading towards Sohra. And in Sohra on the 10th, that is the next day, we'll be starting with the cabinet meeting at 12 noon for about a couple of hours. After the cabinet meeting, there will be a cabinet retreat in which all the departments will sit together with the members of the cabinet and give a presentation on the way forward for 2025. What are the plans, what are the schemes, what are the objectives that the departments want to meet for the year 2025.
Efforts are continuing to rescue workers trapped in a